of the most frequently asked questions I get is whether or not variable rate mortgages or fixed rate mortgages are better. And this is an excellent question. First, please let me explain the difference between variable rates and fixed rates. A variable rate mortgage is going to be based on prime rate. Prime rate is set by the Bank of Canada, which is an arm of the government, and they meet about 10 times a year, and they can adjust that prime rate as they see fit. Now, because this interest rate changes and your mortgage is based on it, your payment on your mortgage is also going to change. A fixed rate mortgage, however, is based on bond rates. Now, bond rates tend to be a lot more stable. If you've ever purchased a bond, you know that it tends to be stable and doesn't have a lot of fluctuation in the return. The same thing goes with the mortgage. Because the rate itself is stable and you have the same rate over the duration of your term, your payment doesn't change. So, what's better, fixed or variable? Well, if you look at historical data, people who have done variable rate mortgages tend to do a little bit better over the long run. But having said that, it's a completely personal choice, and I like to consider something I call the sleep factor. If you take a variable rate mortgage, are you going to be up at night worrying about whether or not your payment is going to be changing because the prime rate has gone up or come down? Over the last few years, we have seen a ton of fluctuations in the markets, and interest rates have absolutely changed. Could you handle a payment change of half, 1, 2, or 3%? If you have a set income and a monthly budget, a fixed rate mortgage may be a better option for you. However, if you have more flexibility in your budget, you can handle the roller coaster of a variable rate, you could potentially save yourself thousands of dollars. So what's better for you? Well, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss your personal situation and give you some advice. If you have a mortgage question, please call me now. You can also find me online. There, you can enroll for my weekly e-newsletter and receive up-to-date information on housing and mortgage trends.